Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. In this session we shall learn how to share equally. Mother monkey has brought 6 bananas. She wants to share these bananas equally among 3 baby monkeys. Mother monkey starts by giving 1 banana to each baby. How many bananas are left?
There are 3 more bananas left.
Then Mother monkey gives 1 more banana to each baby. Now, each baby has got 2 bananas.
And no more bananas are left with Mother monkey.
The operation we just did, distributing 6 bananas equally among 3 monkeys, is called division. When we divide 6 bananas equally among 3 monkeys, each monkey got 2 bananas. We say 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Take note of the new divided by operation symbol between 6 and 3. Let's look at one more scenario. Gopal has 9 jalebis with him. He wants to distribute it equally to 3 of his friends. How many jalebi should he put on each plate?
Well, he first distributes 1 jalebi each to all 3 plates. He is left with 6 jalebis. He distributes 1 more jalebi to all 3 plates.
Oh, he is still left with 3 jalebis. He distributes 1 more jalebi to all 3 plates. Now he is left with nothing, and each of the plates has 3 jalebis. So, when we divide 9 jalebis equally among 3 plates, each plate gets 3.
We say 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Here is one more scenario. Mummy bird brings 12 grains. It is puzzled and thinks how to distribute equally.
Mummy bird starts by giving 1 grain to each baby. Then Mummy bird gives 1 more grain to each baby. Now, each baby has got 2 grains. There are still 4 more grains left.
She puts 1 more grain in each baby's mouth. All the grains are finished. 12 grains have been divided among 4 baby birds. Each baby has got 3 grains. We say 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. That is, when we divide 12 grains equally among 4 baby birds, each baby gets 3.
Well done. Like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division is also a basic operation in maths. It is not possible always to distribute items one at a time, especially when numbers grow. So we should be able to determine the numbers directly. Here is how you do it. In all these scenarios we know the number of groups to be formed up front. We are trying to determine the group size. When we want to distribute 6 bananas among 3 monkeys, we ask 3 times how many is 6. Then from the multiplication table of 2 we get 3 times 2 is 6. Hence 2 is the answer. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, when we want to distribute 9 jalebis among 3 plates, we ask 3 times how many is 9. Then from the multiplication table of 3 we get 3 times 3 is 9. Hence 3 is the answer. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 9. When we want to distribute 12 grains among 4 baby birds, we ask 4 times how many is 12. Then from the multiplication table of 3 we get 4 times 3 is 12. Hence 3 is the answer. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Thus, we can find out the group size, when we want to share the given number equally among a known number of groups, by performing division. In this session we have learnt how to share equally and find out group size, when number of groups to be formed is given.